When you've experienced anxiety or stress and it feels really stuck in the body and you can't get rid of it, let's shake for 2 minutes. So, shaking out the hands. Start nice and slow. Shake out the arms. You can shake out the shoulders. Just warming up into the body. You can start to shake the knees. And shake the hips. Start to feel that energy disperse. You can shake out the legs. You can shake out the feet. You can shake to the side. You can shake up. You can shake all the way down. You can use sound. You can use your breath. You can bounce on the feet. Keep the movement going. Letting all of that stress, that tension out of the body. Let it disperse. Let it go. Keep it going. Feel of shaking all the different parts of your body. Beautiful. A couple more seconds. Keep it going. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Find your feet under your hips. Soften your knees, find your breath. You can close your eyes to take the feeling inwards, to observe the sensations going around your body, that buzz of energy from the shake. Maybe you feel a little lighter. There's a bit more space in the body. Simply observe, no need to judge. Come back to your breath. Take your time here. Feel the ground beneath you. Let it go. Thank you.